Okay, wonderful fifth graders, here we go. It's Thursday, already Thursday, last day of the week. I hope you've been working on that creativity challenge and showing me your awesome creativity and finish up those reading logs. That will be tomorrow's homework. But for today, if you're correcting this, you're doing exactly what you're supposed to be doing. So let's take a look. The reason that I keep giving you two-digit multiplication and long division is those are skills you're really going to need a lot in sixth grade. So I'm kind of doing some of the math that I'm giving you is stuff that's not that as important in fifth grade, but certainly is for sixth grade. So you got to get good at these. All right, 8 times 4 the hardest, 32. So we put down the 2, carry the 3. 6 times 4 is 24, 25, 26, 27. So your top row is 272. Let's kill, cross, and switch colors to green. How about magic 0? 7 times 8 in order, 5, 6, 7, 8, 56. Put down the 6, carry the 5 up, way up. 7 times 6 tied their shoe. When they got up, they were 42, plus 5 is 47. That's row 2, and then of course we just add, we get 2, 13, 10, and 5. So the answer would be 5,032. Okay, number 2, long division. Does McDonald's sell burgers Sundays? What? I'm not writing the letters. So let's just start. What times 3 equals 6? 2. Okay, let's touch it. 2 times 3 equals 6. That's multiplying. That's why I put that little multiplication sign there. We subtract and get 0. Bring down the 9. Start over. How many 9s are in, how many 3s go into 9? 3, because 3 times 3 is 9. Multiply, subtract, bring down with my long arrow. That's why it's called long division. How many 3s go into 4? 1. 1 times 3 is 3. You get remainder 1. So if you were in 4th grade, it would be okay to write remainder 1. If you're in 5th grade, what do you write? That's right, remainder 1/3. Awesome. Okay, number 3. This is a 3D shape. Okay, we're going to have volume. So volume, remember, has 2 formulas. Let me change colors again. I like to use different colors. Let's go with black. Okay, so we have the formula length times width times height equals volume. Okay, but remember that actually technically can be in any order, because when you're doing multiplication, you can multiply things in any order. But let's just stick with that. So we have 6. There's your length. We have our width of 4, and we have our height of 3. 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 times 3, nope, Mr. Manderfeld doesn't know what that is, so I try it on the side. 24 times 3 is 72. So what is the volume? 72. That's actually not the right answer. Why? Because the right answer is 72 inches cubed. Now, if you forgot what cubed means because there's 3 numbers. We have a length, a width, and a height. That's why we want cubed. But I also put another formula down there, because remember, other formula is base times height. So our base, or the bottom, this section right here, would be the area. What's the area? Length, 6, times width. Remember from 4th grade, length times width is area, which is 24, times the height, because there's 3 layers. You can't see them, but there'd be 3 layers of 24. And of course, that would give me 72 inches cubed. All right, number 4. Adding and subtracting fractions with unlike denominators. I feel like switching colors again. Let's go with purple this time. Okay, so let's stack it. We get 6 and 5/6. Take away 2 and 1/3. Fraction bars far apart. Common denominator is 6. 4 x's. I know I'm doing this fast, but you guys are good at this. Times 2. Oops, times 1. Let's write it sideways. 6 and 5/6. Take away, not adding, take away. 2 and 2/6 equals 6 and 3/6. That's right, 5th graders. What is 3/6 the same as? A half. So best answer, 6 and a half. All right, last one, standard form. Well, I didn't write it all out here, but remember it was 6 times 10 million, which is 60 million, then 3 times a million. So that would be 63 million to start with. This is standard form, meaning just a normal number. I have no 100,000s, no 10,000s, but there's a 6,000. So look, remember, there's always 3 blanks. So again, in the problem, we had no 100,000s, we had no 10,000s, but we had 6 1,000s. We have a 900 and a 60. So those are your 5 problems from homework F. Hopefully you didn't get an F. Hopefully you got an A. All right, thank you for listening and watching and doing your work every day. It's making your future self better.